This is OnePlus 11, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can set the screen timeout value to never on this device. So to begin with, you will need to download and install the third-party app that is called Caffeine. It's a free app, and it's a free and lightweight app, so there is no concerns whatsoever regarding the download. So just find this particular app, then install it, and as I've already mentioned, it's a very lightweight app. It only occupies just below 7 megabytes of your storage space, so the download and install procedures will be fairly quick, even if your connection is not very fast. Then once the app was installed, just launch it, make sure that the timeout section is set to the infinite value, and as long as you do not close the Caffeine application and it stays somewhat active in the background and working, obviously, your screen will not go to sleep automatically at all. Alrighty, so that will be it for today. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.